guys, how I manifested my beautiful, beautiful cat. So during lockdown, the price of animals skyrocketed, £500 to £1,000. I really wanted a cat, but I couldn't afford to spend that much money. I'd split up with an ex. He had this beautiful little cat and I'd become really close and I loved it. I missed the cat. So I started to imagine me having my own cat and this special little relationship we'd have, how friendly, how loving, how caring it would be, because we all know cats can be actually the opposite. So I imagined my little cat would want to play, sleep with me, cuddle, love, be really loving and affectionate. I didn't care what colour she was or her sex, to be honest, but I just imagined having this relationship and bond, bringing it home, being comfy and cozy on the sofa, where I was going to buy its pet food. I imagined taking it to my family's house in the car. Anyway, lo and behold, I said to a friend I wanted to get a cat. And then I thought, actually, I don't want to pick another animal that's just been bred. I want to give an animal that doesn't have a home, a forever home with me. I got a call off this friend and she said, do you know, I've just seen an article in the paper and the riding centre are rehoming animals that they've been rescuing. So straight away I rang the girl and she had a riding school and I went down and we got on really well because I always had horses, and she showed me the animals and this beautiful little cat. They let her out of her cage but she didn't come to me. She went to this other lady. So I went round and I was looking at all the other cats and I went back to her and I put my little finger in to where she was and she snuggled up to me and I thought, yeah, this is a girl for me. So I brought her home and the lady, I didn't have to pay for the cat, but I decided I really wanted to. I saw all the good work that they were doing and I wanted to give. I wanted to help them help the other animals. The reason I'm telling you this is key with manifesting and the law of attraction. It's about gratitude and it's also about giving back. What you give out, you will receive. It's a law of attraction. Not if you are giving to receive. This is completely different. I was giving from a place of pure love and gratitude for what they were doing for the animals. So when you give from that place, it's different. When you open your heart chakra, you allow love and energy to flow in and out. It's very important. It can almost open up a completely different world for you and it will elevate your manifestation process. So guys, I basically manifested a beautiful little cat, exactly the relationship I wanted to have with her. She's so friendly and gorgeous. She's sweet and I love her to pieces. This is an example of something I manifested and it happened very quickly. The chain of events all slot into place for me to get to where I was going to. Didn't necessarily happen how I thought it was going to. I didn't expect to go to a riding centre to get my cat. So do you see what I mean? I'm going to put pictures at the end of the video of my baby, okay? I love you. Bye.